buddies, I am Ajay Mati, grade 5, Primrose Garden School. This is a message from Savitri by Arbindo. The quiet incense of gloat of life's supreme delight. Thank you, bye-bye.
Hi, hello buddies. நான் Ajay Ishan, grade 8 from Primrose Garden School. Today's Karma Yogi message. While at the peak of practice in consecration, one can find that those items where the emotions and preferences are involved remain outside its purview. It never occurs to him that they are left out. Thank you, bye.
Hi everyone, I am your Ajay Kabilan, grade 6B from Primrose Garden School. In this show, we are going to see some logical question and answer. I am taken from a mine and shut inside a wooden case, from which I am never released, and yet I am used by almost every person. What I am? Answer: pencil lead graphite. அண்ட் நெக்ஸ்ட் வாங்க வீடுகதை பார்க்கலாம். ஒரு வீட்டில் 4 மூலை, ஒவ்வொரு மூலையிலும் ஒரு பூனை. ஒவ்வொரு பூனையும் 3 பூனைகளை பார்த்தது. மொத்தம் எத்தனை பூனை? யோசிங்க, பார்க்கலாம். பதில் 4 பூனைகள். And if you enjoyed today's riddle, don't forget to like, comment and share and press the bell icon so you don't miss our next show where we will bring you more fun and tricky logical questions. Until then, this is your Ajay Kabilan, grade 6B from Primrose Garden School. Signing off. Stay curious, stay smart and keep smiling. In the next episode, we have more amazing logical questions coming up. Don't miss it. Bye.
Hi, hello buddies. I'm Ajay Andy from Primrose Garden. World Art Day is celebrated on April 15 to promote the importance of art in our lives and encourage creativity among people of all ages. Art plays a vital role in expressing emotions, ideas, and culture. This day is dedicated to appreciating different forms of art such as painting, music, dance, and sculpture. Schools and organizations conduct exhibition, workshops, and competition to inspire young artists. It also highlights how art contribution to education, innovation, and cultural understanding. By celebrating this day, people are encouraged to explore their creativity and recognize the power of art in bringing people together and expressing thoughts in unique ways. Hope you will enjoy the celebration message. Turn on the bell icon to stay connected for more special day updates. Thank you. Bye.